Hi, welcome to chapter 6, addition and subtraction of algebraic fractions. Right, so previously you have been asked to do practice 3, so this is the answer key. Right, feel free to pause the video. Okay, any questions, please clarify with your teacher. Alright, so what we're going to do for today's lesson, alright, is on page 12. Alright, example 4. Okay, page 12, example 4. Now, so over here, what you can see is, well, now I'm going to add same thing, addition and subtraction of two fractions. Now over here, it is a little bit interesting. Okay, it's a little bit interesting. Okay, let's look at A first. Okay, why is it interesting is because you see, there's more than one term, and not only that. Okay, you look at this 6b plus 9c. For the denominator of a fraction, we always try to factorize. We always try to factorize the denominator whenever possible. The reason for that is because, you see, for this example, after I factorize, I realized that, hey, actually, they have a common factor, okay, which is 2b plus 3c, 2b plus 3c. They have a common factor, okay, and basically what happens is I can just multiply the numerator and denominator of the first fraction by 3. So multiply by 3, or arrive to this. Right, so 4a multiplied by 3 will be 12a plus 7. Alright. Okay, what happens if you just multiply like 4a you just multiply by 6b plus 9c, and 7 you just multiply by 2b plus 3c? Well, at the end of the day, the fraction you're going to get will not be the simplest form. Okay, in short, it will result in a loss in marks. Alright, because it's not in the simplest form. Right, same thing for b. Now you can see y squared minus 4. Well, this is actually under the chapter on factorization. Is special product y squared minus 2 squared. So what you will have is y plus 2, y minus 2. Okay, or in this case y minus 2, y plus 2. Okay, and then second fraction, multiply numerator and denominator by y plus 2, expand and simplify. You get your answer 3y minus 4 over y minus 2, y plus 2. Alright, now for C, okay, for C is the same. Okay, which one do I factorize? The first fraction, yes, the denominator of the first fraction. Right, I factorize the denominator, I'll get this. Now, one hint is usually most of the time, all the factors, they will be the same. Like in this case, it is x minus 2. Okay, so you can use this to your advantage. So when I factorize this, using the cross method factorization, not the area method, when I factorize it and I make guess and check, basically I can first thing check that one of the side is x minus 2, and the other one x plus 3 will just fall into place, and I can check for error. Okay, so that means the second fraction, I'm lacking the x plus 3, so multiply to x plus 3 to the numerator and denominator, and also this. Expand, when I expand, take note, it is a negative x minus 3, right? Because the negative one multiplies it. Once again, fraction minus fraction. Okay, so with this, the answer is x minus 3 over x plus 3 and x minus 2. Alright, the last one, D. Now this one you see there's an asterisk. This is not multiple or something, this is an asterisk, or you can think of it as a star. Okay, star. Why? Because the denominator, are they the same? Actually, first glance they may not look like the same, but they are actually very similar. What do I mean? Positive 2, negative 2. Negative 3x, positive 3x. That means the values are the same, only the sign are exactly opposite. So in this case, what I can do is, you can actually change the sign of the denominator by factorizing our negative one. So hence this positive becomes negative. Okay, the positive becomes negative, the 3x minus 2 becomes 2 minus 3x. Sorry, 3k. Right, so in this case, you see the denominator is the same already. I just need to subtract the numerator. 5x minus 3x is me 2x over 2 minus 3k. Alright. And so with this, you can pause the video, okay, or rather actually I'm going to stop the video here, and then you do on your practice 4. Alright, do on practice 4. See you on the next lesson. Goodbye.